Ryder Mora. My TA is Chi, and I'm here to show you how to vacuum filter. So what we're going to use in order to perform this experiment is a hose. We have the adapter, which will go on the bottom of the filter itself. And then we have our flask, which will catch the filtrate. And then we also have our activated carbon solution. We have a DI water squirt bottle and filter paper, 2 filter papers. So to set this up, we're going to want to first put the flask itself into a clamp setup so that it is secured down onto the table and won't move. And then we're going to want to take our adapter, put it onto our filter, and put that on top. And then we want to take our hose and put one end into the flask itself, making sure it's on tight. Take the other end and put it into the vacuum part of this thing. Then we're going to want to take our filter paper and put it on top of the funnel. So what we're going to want to do before we start filtering this solution, we're going to want to wet our filter paper so that it sticks down and there's no air bubbles. And we're going to want to put a lot of DI water. And then once we have wet our filter paper, we're going to want to turn on the vacuum. And we should see the water come through. Do a little extra DI water just to make sure. And then with our vacuum on and our seal tight, we're just going to start filtering. We're going to pour the solution into the funnel. You want to make sure not to pour too much at once. And as you can see, the vacuum is pulling the water through while leaving the carbon up there. Might take a while, but we can persevere. So as you can see, the solution coming through the filter is clear as compared to this solution here, showing that it is filtering it. And we have excess carbon in our beaker. So to get rid of that, we're going to want to use the DI water squirt bottle and just clear it off of the sides, clear as much as we can, in order to get all the carbon in the solution into the filter paper. Okay, once it's almost clear, we're going to want to wait until the filtration is about done. And once it's done, we're going to want to turn the vacuum apparatus off and disconnect the hose to break the seal. And then we can disconnect the hose from this side of the filter and unclamp the flask and take off our filter. And as you can see, using this white piece of paper, that the filtrate is clear and there is no more carbon in the solution. I think that's it, right? Okay. Good job.